Hi, everyone, and welcome to day 246 of the Feathered Quest. Our bird of the day today is the house finch. House finches wear their diet on their feathers. They can't produce bright red or yellow on their own. Those colors come straight from pigments in the food they eat while molting. More pigment means a redder bird, and females choose the richest red they can find. Let's go find that daily feather. Well, thanks for coming along with me today, guys. Remember, you are loved, and the world is full of wonder. So, did we find our bird of the day?